Hello fellow crafters, I am back. If you've already seen my last video on the overview of my craft cave that I'm calling it, because this is where I stash all of my stuff, I want you guys to go ahead and join me with this series. Stay tuned for more videos, and towards the end I'm going to show you guys a couple of things that are pretty interesting. And what I wanted to show you is kind of like what I'm up to. A couple of bins that I'm trying to organize. This green one is full of photography stuff, more photography stuff, junk stuff, drawers filled to probably a quarter of things. These drawers have been just used to toss things there that, oh, I don't know what this goes, and stuff like that. So that's where I'm using these drawers, but I'm going to organize, take everything out, and I'm thinking of using these maybe as a fast and easy way to go ahead and just get in and out of the things that I do need when I go up there. Let's see, these things are just thrown in there. As you can see, this drawer has very little items in there, and the bottom drawer never wanted to come out. I had to pull it out, and then I have to organize that. So if you guys notice, sorry about my phone, if you guys noticed the amount of things that each drawer has, it's like odds and ends. It really makes no sense. So I just wanted to go ahead and go through all of these, assess the things that I do have. Sorry about the dirty no, I'm not sorry about the dirty floor. But here's a drawer filled with items that, like I said before, is just odds and ends. There's no rhyme or reason for any of this stuff to be there. There's no organization. So that's what my plan is. And like I mentioned before in the other video, and I will go ahead and put a card so you guys can click on it and watch the other video of the overview of it. This is a little notebook that I'm writing down everything that I see that I have, so that way I can categorize everything in order and I know what I have, so I can start making like organizational either envelopes or bins or boxes or something. Another of the things that I have is this little area here is going to be for my kitty cats, and they usually sleep here. This box contains, and sorry about the quality of the video, don't know what's wrong with it. Why is it doing that? All of this stuff is something that I really want to get out of the way. But this crate here has a lot of paperwork from the past. Even has a couple of books there and odds and end papers. I'm pretty sure I'm going to toss probably 3/4 of it and just keep 1/4 of it, but I'll keep you posted on that to go ahead and bring you along with the adventure that I'm having with this room. I don't have a craft room, so this is where I stash all of my stuff. All that over there needs to be organized. I've got stuffing, I've got baby fabric, I've got tons of sewing. I'm going to go ahead and kind of like zoom in. That whole bin is filled with one of my older machines. It's called the graham cracker because she's the older one, inside of a wooden cabinet. I have a few sewing machines. This one here is just holding some chair covers that I had, and I removed that. But let's see, I'm coming back to this one because that's where I want to focus my energy on today. Going through old paperwork that might have your information on it is something kind of tedious because you don't want something to get out that you don't want to be seen out there. And I'm looking through my notebook to see where I can put that into the category. Obviously it's going to be put in another place of the house because it doesn't belong here. It's not a craft area. It's not a craft item. So yes, all of this here is another area that I have tons of stuff. Those are my drawers. More drawers that I probably have doubles from the other drawers. Like that one you can probably see a card and some staples and some of other odds and ends I don't even know what to do with, but I have to categorize it before I know where it's gonna go. Okay guys, thanks for staying by. Stay tuned for more, and I will show you more items to come.